In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read Telegram messages without being seen, step by step. This is a simple privacy trick that can help you check messages more discreetly, without immediately showing that you're online or active. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram on your PC. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens Telegram's main menu, where you'll find all of the important settings and privacy options. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps your account controls, appearance options, chat settings, and privacy tools. After that, go to Privacy and Security. This section is especially important because it controls who can see your activity, your profile details, and other visibility settings. Now look for the option called Last Seen and Online, and click on it. This setting controls whether other people can see when you were last active and whether you are currently online. If you want more privacy, set this to Nobody or My Contacts, depending on how private you want your account to be. Choosing Nobody gives you the most privacy, while My Contacts limits visibility to people already saved in your contacts. Next, make sure the option Hide Read Time is toggled on. This is the key setting that helps reduce visible read activity, so your Telegram usage stays more discreet. Once this is enabled, you'll have much better control over how much information other people can see about your activity. After that, you can back out of the settings and use Telegram more privately. Keep in mind, privacy settings can improve discretion, but the exact behavior may depend on the device, app version, and chat type you're using. So it's always a good idea to double-check your privacy settings from time to time, especially after app updates. And that's it. You've now learned how to adjust Telegram privacy settings so you can read messages with more control over your visibility. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.